Windows Server 2016 has several new features as part of ADDS. These features help you make your ADDS environment more secure and migrate to cloud-based or hybrid environments. Privileged Access Management. Privileged Access Management, PAM, is based on Microsoft Identity Manager. PAM allows you to separate the permissions required for certain administrative activities from the permissions of the current ADDS environment's members. With PAM, users request permission to perform activities that require privileged access, instead of having that access granted on a permanent basis. Granting those permissions can mean that you should provide additional authentication steps, such as multi-factor authentication. When the user gains access, the access is granted on a temporary basis through a shadow group in a Bastion forest. The Bastion forest is meant to be devoid of any access from hackers or any stolen credentials of privileged users. Because the user accounts do not have the required permissions on a permanent basis, there is a decrease in the possibility of a security breach, such as unlawful access by a malicious hacker who has stolen an administrator's password. Additional reading: for more information on PAM, refer to Privileged Access Management for Active Directory Domain Services. Azure AD Join. Azure Active Directory Join, Azure AD Join, supports connecting on-premises, domain-joined devices to Azure AD for improved cloud-only and hybrid environments. For corporate-owned devices, users no longer need a personal Microsoft account. Azure AD also supports connecting devices that normally cannot join an on-premises domain, such as mobile devices. Users can access the Windows Store with their on-premises accounts, and even with their personal devices. Support also exists for mobile device management, MDM, setting up shared devices, and imaging corporate-owned devices.